Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another exciting video. In this video we will learn how to apply for Abu Dhabi Scholarship. Abu Dhabi University recently gave advertisement about education in which you can apply, and this is fully funded scholarship. You have to apply for this for more education. For this, go to Google tab and simply type Abu Dhabi University, and the first is the link of website. You only tap on this and then their website will be open. Here is the website in which you will see all the detail of scholarship. In this scholarship cover all the tuition fee, university expenses, and also pay some money for a month, for every month. Okay, so you must apply for this. You have to only tap on this apply now. When you tap on this, click on here apply now. When you you click this, then this type of page will be open. Here you will see the detail in which academic year you want to apply, in which semester you want to apply. According to your choice, you choose this and further move. How to apply? From the here apply now, here. When you click on apply now, then a registration box will be open. Here you have to create your account. Select your ID. For example, I am choosing XYZ. I create a password. I generate my password here, and I also give my email ID here. For example, I am giving my email ID here, and then I also write my name, first name, last name, and then create account. By clicking on this, a mail will be sent to your account. When you receive this mail, in this mail you will receive a password. You have to copy that password and paste in next box. That will be appear as soon I show you. When I like this, I give my user ID like I was I in previous I show that I give my name ID as XYZ, and from my email ID I copy the verification code that was this, and I press activate it, then my account will be activated, and I will be easily sign it in my account. Okay, it take some time, and this type of box will be appear. It will take some time to take you on online admission portal. Okay, this is application portal, so tap on this create new application. Here you can select any question. What is your favorite city, or any other favorite friend name. So I simply write XYZ and then done. Now you select for which subject you want to apply. For example, I want to apply for postgraduate. I continue this. Now you have to fill all of these information, like here you already select postgraduate, which campus you want to select in Dubai or Abu Dhabi, which you want, you select from here, and transfer credit, yes. Here you can upload your photo. Next you will give your personal information here, grandfather's name, last name, mother's name. You will give all the information here. Next you give your contact information. Further proceed, you have to give information of your phone number. Choose your majors. this is somewhat different, so I have to tell this to you in a major. First of all, for example, you are applying for master. You choose your master, for example, for education in educational leadership. You select this. Next is first is this one. You can also select another one if possible. If possibility of first one is less, then you also able to apply in second one. You can also apply a master of engineering management. Okay. Next, do you have any family member studying in Abu Dhabi? If anyone is studying in Abu Dhabi, then yes. If not, then simply no. If yes, then you have also give information of the person who is study in Abu Dhabi. So no one is studying in Abu Dhabi. I simply said no. Okay. How do you learn about Abu Dhabi University? So I simply said this from Facebook. Are you applying through an international agent? So no. Next, for this you have to proceed for next step and simply press on save and next. After saving all this information, next you have to give your educational information. For example, start from here, select school. I simply type my name of school. For example, I give this name XYZ. I also show the okay. I simply select this ComSet, then which type of education, Master of Science in Education. I simply select the date. For example, I complete my MS in 2024 January. Okay. Average GPA okay. If I have given any test, then I also show this here. If not, then there is no need. For example, I give this test TOEFL test, then I have to show test score. For example, I got 87. Test date I have to also shown here. For example, in Feb. Academic level masters. Work experience, if you have, then click here yes. If not, then simply no. Emergency contact number you have to show here. For example, I am telephone number. Okay, here in next step you have to upload all of these information. For example, first of all, copy of valid passport, residency visa. All of this information you have to upload in the form of a PDF. For example, I am uploading a passport. You have to upload all of these attached files. Next, you have to upload English test result that if you have given anywhere like IELTS. Okay, I have document of it here. I simply upload this, upload all of the required documents, and then further you are able to proceed. You also take a recommendation letter from your supervisor in which you study now from your supervisor. Your supervisor easily give this recommendation letter to you. Next you have to upload a copy of CV. I upload this. Okay, here you see the copy of UAE national ID card. If you are if you live here, then you have to upload this, otherwise no need. You have to upload also police clearance. You can take this easily from nearby police station. For this you have to take a certificate, which you can take in 4 to 500 rupees. Also leave this one, and other documents if required. When you will learn the requirement of documents, other documents will be uploaded here. For example, your if you are applying for MS, then you have to upload the documents of BS here. Okay, after uploading all of this information, you have to tick this one and this one and save and next. After this application fee charges are 400. You have to pay this. When you click on no, then here is the form. Pay online. When you tap on this, then a form will be appeared where you have to put all of information, by which method you are paying, either through credit card or debit card. When you fill all this information and pay here, then you are able to proceed further. So this was all about information how to apply for Abu Dhabi University. If you have any question, then please ask in comment box, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.